pressure on them, just do it nice and lightly. I think you're aluminium, you don't want to break it. So, a small bit of diesel may come out of this here. Maybe not. Jump on the road. That one. And that one. Let me see. Move down, move down. Right, just need to bend that out of your road a bit. Let's see, don't want to bend it too much. Never to take that off. Come on, play it by ear here, as long as it's out of the road. Right, start my first one. Wee magnet thing go. Do your breath. Oh, in 2 seconds ago, like. Come off it. Come on, there she is. Right, here's one. When we're going to do this here. Right, that's the back one. That's the bottom one. Should be pretty loose because, let's face it, they've been off before. I don't know, I've got a wee cloth here because I'm not going to end up stinking. A bit of a wiggle. Oh, there we go. Let me see. Yeah, the copper visor still on it, look, like brand new. Just don't get where diesel's coming from, or the oil or whatever. That is a pretty darn mess. I mean, right, so what I need to do now is, I think I'm only going to do one at a time here. I'm not going to, I think the last time I took all 4 out and just had them all sitting, but I think I'm going to leave that sitting there. There's my torch. It's pretty soaking in there, like. Just want to clean around this here so I can see that wee black seal. See if it's all in right, because, well, it looks right. Give it a wee clean. See? Yeah, well, that's in it the whole way round. I can't really see down in there, like, but see, towards this way. I don't see it now. It looks a wee bit gunky, but I don't have one of them wee reamer tools. There we go. Aha! Loose. Loose. Tell you what, I might have found my culprit. See, apparently these wee studs to take out, they can break, so that was something that I didn't want to do. But them two seem looser, so they do. So I was a smart cookie. I bought them, so I did, just in case. I didn't want to change them, but you know what? I might just have to do it here, because look, can you see it there? Look, that one's wobbling. That one's wobbling. Can you see it wobbling? See, the camera and these glasses are right in the middle of it, so there might be parts of this here you're not seeing. Right, so what's the top of it there? What could I do it by hand? Here I come. Jesus. Turn that off. Do the back one first. I'm able to do that by hand. I think I should be able to. I don't think that's able. I'm supposed to be doing that, like. And then that one's a wee bit tight there, so I wonder what size that is. I think it'll be a wee 5 or something in there. A wee 5 on it, because I don't want to round it off. I think it is a wee 5. Where's that? Oh, come on here. It's in there a minute ago. There it is. Jesus, I'm able to take him right out dead looser. I'll be doing it with the rest of them, like if they're all. Jesus. That's my culprit. Look. That's it. Got the oil on that. So what I'm supposed to do is get the new, I'll just give that a wee clean. I'm supposed to get the new one and then get that there stuff there and put a wee dab of it round there and round that and then tighten that back in again. Right, what one was that? That was the top one. Right, so I know what I'm doing here. That was the top one. This is the bottom one. Jesus, that's unreal. I think I'll have cured my problem here. The wife's gonna be all biz, wee Molly, be back on the road, no oil leak, no nothing. Loving life. I don't know, it's not like YouTube's brilliant now, but there's not many videos on the Mini 1.6 Cooper D, you know what I mean? But look at the oil in that one too. Geez, that's loads of oil. But I mean, that engine is the same as a Peugeot, Berlingo, Volvo, Focus. I think it's a TED 4.6 or something engine, 1.6 HDI. They're all sort of built the same. You know what? I know I'm not going to have a problem after this. Hopefully the rest of them are all loose like this. I just want to take that off and give this all a real good clean. And then it's definitely not coming from them wee seals. They're definitely put in right. It must be coming from them wee holes. It's holding them in. Right, well that's one hole cleaned out.